Hey everybody, Drew here. So the question on the table is, if you invest $20 a week into QQQ and you've done it for 20 years, what does that return look like? Okay, you're looking at the Easy Investment Simulator, another product of mine that you can find on the exceltrader.com. And the purpose of this simulator allows you to enter a stock, an ETF, a mutual fund, and establish a certain amount of time, go back in time, and a certain dollar amount being invested on either a periodic basis or a starting capital amount. And it will tell you how much it compounds and what the value of that investment over that period of time. So right now we're looking at the investment simulator. It's set up for a prior experiment of mine for Tesla. Let's change this to QQQ. And QQQ is an ETF that represents the Nasdaq-100. So when you invest in QQQ, you're effectively investing in the entire Nasdaq-100. It's a powerful ETF that gives you great returns over an established period of time. So let's set this back 20 years. Let's go 1/1/2005. And let's now say $20 a week. So if you're working and you can spare $20 a week, this calculator will show you that right here, the returns in 20 years would have been $163,000. So that's really a nice chunk of money over 20 years on just $20 a week. Let's make that $40 a week. Let's say you could spare $40 a week. And that's, that's getting up there, but it effectively doubles the return, $327,000. And you're well on your way to your first $1 million at that point. The other thing that we can do is let's set this back to 20. So again, we're over $160,000. So if you had started 20 years ago at $20 a week, you'd be sitting on $160,000 right now. Let's extend that period of time. Instead of 20 years, let's go back 30 years. So let's make this 1/1/1995 close, just a little over 30 years. And you'd be sitting on $250,000 at $20 a week. So this shows you the power of compounding, and this tool does a great job of giving you an estimate of what that value would be looking like given that period of time. You can put any stock, any ETF, any mutual fund in this tool and give it a start date, and it would all automatically calculate for you the result. So hope you enjoyed seeing this. Let's get started investing. What do you say? $20 a week and you'll be on your way.